Hello everybody, my name is Kala Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to mute your Garmin device with Amazon Alexa. As you know, the newer Garmin device, the Drive Smart 65, comes with Amazon Alexa, and sometimes Alexa could get really annoying while you're driving, because you could be talking to your passenger or to your people sitting in the back of your vehicle, and the microphone of Alexa gets activated and does weird things. Or sometimes just ambient noise from the freeway or from the road could trigger the Amazon Alexa. So how to mute the microphone? This is something important to know. Here is how we do it. So first thing you need to do is, obviously, you have to turn on the device. Let me turn this on. Okay. Once you have it turned on, go to agree, and this is what you have. Now, right now, if the microphone is not muted, and if I say something, the smart features will listen. For example, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 9:53 p.m.
Okay, so now I'm going to mute.
Your evening.
Okay, now I'm going to mute it. How do I mute it? Right above in the center, right here, there's a button that you have to press and hold for a few seconds until the mute is activated. So watch me press and hold it. Okay, I haven't pressed it yet. 1, 2, 3. I'm pressing it, and the microphone is off. So basically you have to press it for 2 seconds. And now if I ask Alexa, what time is it? Alexa, what time? Nothing. It doesn't listen because it's off. And you see the bar right there, and that will indicate that the Alexa mic has been muted. That is the same thing with the regular Alexa. With this is my regular, Alexa dot. When the mic is muted, the circle is red. So basically the same exact concept is with the Garmin GPS. And when the microphone is muted, the functionality of OK Google, which is instead of Google you say Garmin, that is also disabled. OK Garmin, the mic is muted, so it doesn't say anything. Now let me unmute that. Now it's unmuted. Now I'm going to try the Garmin command. OK Garmin, what time is it?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Of course you don't know, because there is no place by that name. I should have asked you where is the nearest Starbucks. You cannot ask the time and the weather and stuff from Garmin. You could do it from the smart speaker Alexa. But if you want to know where is the nearest Starbucks, or increase the volume, increase the brightness, then you could use the Garmin command. Let's increase the volume. OK Garmin, set the volume at 100%. Okay, so now my volume is set to 100%. Let's see if she did it. Let's see. I don't think that's 100%. Let me try that again. Okay, Garmin, set the volume. Okay, Garmin, change the volume to 100.
Sorry, I can only change the volume between 0 and 10.
Aha. Okay, Garmin, change the volume to 10. There you go. So the reason it didn't work in the beginning, because I was asking for it to change it to 100%. And it doesn't know what's the meaning of 100%. So this was a little demo of the mic mute and how to make the functionality turn off. I hope this was something useful to you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.